Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Shake the liquid color corrector 15 to 30 seconds to resuspend pigments. Use a test surface or toothpick so you can see true tone before committing. Apply 1 to 2 drops and spread in a thin layer. Thin layers dry evenly so you avoid streaks. Once done, wait the recommended flash time. This tells you if pigments need boosting. Make sure to note lighting and substrate because adhesion and final shade depend on both. You'll now refine the shade. Mix in tiny increments, add a 0. 5 drop or 1/8 of the volume at a time, and stir thoroughly. Test again. Color shifts as solvents evaporate, so allow 3 to 5 minutes between coats to see true results. When you layer, feather edges with a soft brush or microfiber to avoid hard lines. If you need more coverage, build slowly. This prevents pooling and ensures even curing across the surface. You're at the finish line. Apply 1 light top coat or color wash to lock in the hue and uniformize gloss, making sure spray or brush strokes follow the object's contours. If you see streaks or orange peel, let it cure. Sand lightly with 800 to 1200 grit, then reapply thin coats. If the color is off, small corrective mixes beat full repainting. Finally, store the corrector upright and capped. This keeps pigments stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.